Okay, our cookies are done. They turned out beautiful. Now we are ready to decorate them with some beautiful color. So we need to make our white icing, and then we just use colored sprinkles that you can buy at your grocery store. I decided to choose pink, but you can choose whatever color that you want, or a lot of different colors. It's up to you. So what you're going to do is take 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar. Some people call it confectionery sugar. Some people call it icing sugar. It really is really fine sugar with some cornstarch. Now, what you're going to do is with your spoon is pour in 1 tablespoon of milk. It might need a little more milk because I never know how the cornstarch is going to work. I've done this a lot of times. And then 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. This is going to make it thicker, and then it's also going to make it so that it dries, so that it's nice to touch. It's really great to have it when the icing dries, because then you can package them and deliver them to your friends. And now what I'm going to do is just stir. Keep stirring until it makes a nice icing flow. And while you're stirring, you make sure you also have your icing bag that you got in your kit. We call them piping bags. Okay, so do you see how thick that is? That means I need to add a little bit more milk. So I'm going to take maybe 1/2 tablespoon. And see what that does. And now it's making it so much better. Yeah, different powdered sugars are different, so you do have to kind of have a little bit more milk extra. And I'm gonna actually switch to a whisk to make sure that all these little bumps get out. So do you see how it's kind of like, almost like melted marshmallows? You know how that thickness is? And we want it like that. So it kind of drips, but it's not too drippy. Okay, now we're gonna put this in our bag. And I always use a glass. If you've gone to any of my other lessons, you know that a glass works perfect. I made a tiny little cut at the tip of the bag. If you're afraid to do that, have your parents help you. Then go ahead and create a sleeve over your glass. And then go ahead and pour your mixture in here. And that is perfect. Then get your rubber band, bring it up, and then go ahead and rubber band the top. That way all the icing's not gonna come out the other side. All right, are you guys ready to decorate? Make some beautiful flower luau cookies. They're called hibiscus flowers. They're all over Hawaii. They're so pretty, and all different other islands, so you can have a nice luau. All right, you want a plate or a bowl because you're going to dump all of your sprinkles in the bowl. And then take a cookie, and with your icing, you're just going to go on the edge and then bring it down just a little bit. Go along the edge, bring it down, go along the edge, bring it down, go along the edge, just like that, okay? Now we're going to carefully, since our icing is thick, we're going to turn it upside down and let it rest, just tapping just a little bit. And then bring it up, shake it a little bit, and see how I have a little bit here and here? That tells me I didn't tap it hard enough, and then I can just go in there again. And there, it's okay if there's a little sprinkles there. You can try to tap them off, but that's okay. But see how pretty those turn out? Beautiful pool party, beach party, luau, summer dessert, a surprise birthday gift, or just give them to someone that you really, really love.